Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Chevrolet Corvette. First, begin by thoroughly researching the various models and features available to pinpoint the Corvette that perfectly matches your desires. Next, establish a clear budget, considering not only the purchase price, which can start around $70,000 for a Stingray, but also ongoing ownership expenses. Finally, explore different financing options, whether it's a traditional loan or a lease, to ensure it aligns with your financial plan. Once you have a clear idea of what you want, the next step is finding your Corvette. You can search for new models at authorized dealerships or explore the used market through private sellers. When you find a potential car, always schedule a test drive to truly feel its performance and handling. Before making any commitments, it's highly recommended to arrange a pre-purchase inspection by a trusted, independent mechanic to ensure the vehicle is in excellent condition. With your ideal Corvette found and inspected, it's time to negotiate. Discuss the purchase price and be aware of any additional fees, such as a tag agency fee of around $299. Carefully review all sales agreements and contracts before signing anything. Finally, once the price is settled, finalize the sale, arrange for the vehicle's registration, and secure appropriate insurance coverage. Deposits can range from $500 for a Stingray to $5,000 for a ZR1. Congratulations on getting your Chevrolet Corvette. To keep it running optimally, familiarize yourself with its specific maintenance schedule. Many owners report average annual maintenance costs around $737, which is surprisingly affordable for a performance car. Connect with other enthusiasts by exploring Corvette owner communities and attending events. It's a great way to share your passion. And for those moments of relaxation, remember to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy every drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.